folks. We're here at San Diego State University. I'm about to give you a walking tour. However, I know that some of you are used to me doing student interviews afterwards, but since it's a Sunday, I'm not able to find many students already. It's like super quiet and parking was a breeze. And I'm here on a Sunday because my friends just got married yesterday in San Diego, so I figured might as well visit San Diego State for you all. But before we get into this tour, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm Tiffany. I'm a college and career coach. I help students navigate the college application process. With the season right around the corner, if you're interested in working with me one-on-one, you can find my information in the description down below. Alternatively, I'm going to be launching an e-series coming in the next month, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe to my email list and I'll let you know more information about it once I'm able to launch it. And of course, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, since that'll be really helping me and future students that are interested in different campuses and getting free information on YouTube. All right, let's go ahead and start our tour. I'm right at Harper Hall. It's a gorgeous day, and we'll probably be getting a lot of steps in since this campus is on a hill. All right, before we end the tour, I wanted to walk you around off campus. This is called the South Campus Plaza, and they have a lot of different food. And I know we all love Trader Joe's. They actually have one right next to campus as well. So let's take a look. All right, that concludes our tour, and don't mind me, I forgot to film the outro outside, so I'm at that parking garage, so it's a little grimy looking, but overall the campus is gorgeous, and San Diego State University is very selective actually. It's 34% acceptance rate. A lot of my students want to go to San Diego State. It's more affordable, and their business majors are highly ranked as well, so it just makes a lot of sense. And don't forget to subscribe because I'll be showing you more tips and tricks about college and careers and different campuses as well. See you next time.